Hi, hello my dear students. I heartily welcome you all in this session, our subject science and class 8th standard. Dear students, in last class, in crop production and management, we have discussed about agricultural implements. Today, we'll discuss about sowing. My dear students, sowing is an important part of a crop production. Yes, so sowing means bija hakudu. So sowing is a very important part. So if we sow the seeds, then only we'll get the plants and plants product. Yes, so before sowing the seeds, we have to observe, it is very important to know that good quality and clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. So farmer prefer to use seeds which give high yield. Yes, they have always prefer good quality of seeds which give high yield. They have to get high yield, high production, benefits, good benefits, like that. Then how to select a good quality of seeds? So are there seeds so here there is one activity. Take a beaker and fill half with the water and put handful of wheat seeds and stir it well. So wait some time. Stir means we have to mix it, water and the seeds. So you just observe, are there seeds which float on a water? Some seeds are floating on a water. Would those be lighter or heavier than those which sink? Yes. So what would they be lighter? Here damaged seeds become hollow and are thus lighter. Therefore they float on a water. These are the damaged seeds. They have hollow. There is nothing inside the seeds. They are hollow tubes like hollow. So they are lighter. They are called damaged seeds. So and whatever there inside downside the beaker, these are the good quality of seeds which used for sowing. So this is the good method of separating good quality and healthy seeds from the damaged ones. So before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing seeds. Yes, so for plowing the field we used plow and cultivator and we used hoe. Yes, so in this also it is very important to know from which tool is used for sowing seed. That is traditional tool. So which is this traditional tool? Shaped like a funnel. A tool, here I'll show you one picture. Traditional method of sowing. Yes, the tool used traditionally for sowing seed. Shaped like a funnel. It is shaped like a funnel. Yes, seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends press into the soil and place seeds there. Next one, seed drill. Nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. Here in last picture whatever I have shown here, it is man work, human work. Here in tractors nowadays the machines have developed. So nowadays seed drills are used to sow the seeds. Here is there. This is seed drill. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. So this seeds at equal distance and deeply it will sow the seeds. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. Yes, so what happened? This is very good machine which ensures that the seeds are correctly covered or not. It should be covered with the soil, and this protects seeds from being eaten by birds. And also sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. So appropriate distance between seeds is necessary to avoid overcrowding of plants. So there must be a distance between one seed and another seed. Otherwise, it may cause overcrowding of the plants. This allows the plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. At times, a few plants may have to be removed to prevent overcrowding. So, if they are overcrowded, they won't get sufficient sunlight and nutrients. Is it? Adding manure and fertilizers. The substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. My dear students, if a plant do not get proper nutrients, they will spoil. So they will not grow and yield will be less, yield will be waste. So the substance, so for the healthy growth of the plants will add nutrients. That substance is called as manure and fertilizer. Soil supplies mineral nutrients to the crop plants. So, these nutrients are essential for growth of the plant. In certain areas, what happen? Farmers grow crop after crop in the same field. The field is never left uncultivated or fallow. So, imagine what happened to the nutrients. Is it so? In the same field, if we'll grow more times, 2 times, 3 times, what happens to the soil and what happens to the nutrients? So, continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients. So, the farmer have to add manure to the field to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called manuring. So, if we will continuously cultivate the land, will cultivate the crops, what happens? It makes the soil poor in nutrients. So, it loses its nutrients. So, the farmers, they will add manure to the field to replenish. So, again, if they sow the seeds, the good yield will be. If they cultivate the crops, the good yield they'll get. So, they'll add the manure. So, this process is called as manuring. What is manure? Decomposition of plants and animal waste. My dear students, manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal waste. So, farmer dump a plant and animal waste in pits at open places and allow it decomposes. In open place, plants, the farmers, they will pits at open decomposition. In a open place, they will put animal and plant waste. In Kannada, you know, tippe gobbara it will call. Yes, tippe gobbara. So, it allows decomposes. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. So, whatever plant waste and animal waste, they will pit at open place that allows to decomposes. Decompose means kolayudu. That microorganisms break down in a small parts. Again, in a small part, that plant waste and animal waste. So, it decomposes and it will become manure. So, it becomes manure, that organic manure that is used to as fertilizer in a soil, that will add to the crops too. It will give good yield. Understand, my dear students? So, today's session has completed. Here, homework questions are: what is traditional tool? Explain how the seed drill saves time and labor. What is manure and fertilizers? What is organic manure? Explain it in a points. Explain the method used in selection of seeds. Thank you.